Number 1. Kırmızı Oda. Kırmızı Oda, or The Red Room, is a compelling Turkish drama that explores deep psychological themes through the lives of its patients and therapists, offering a unique take on human complexities and emotional struggles. The series follows Dr. Manolya Hanim, a respected therapist who runs the Manolya Psychiatry Clinic in Istanbul. Alongside her colleagues, Dr. Piraye, Dr. Deniz, and Dr. Ayşe, she treats various patients with complex backgrounds. The series delves into the lives of patients like Nesreen, a domestic violence victim, Maliha, who struggles with past traumas, and Alya, a wealthy girl suffering from childhood neglect. The therapists not only help their patients but also confront their own personal challenges. As they navigate these intricate emotional landscapes, the show reveals the profound impact of past experiences on people's lives. Kırmızı Oda, most popular and most watched dramas of 2020, captivating audiences with its emotional depth and real-life stories. While praised for its profound storytelling, excellent acting, and emotional depth, you might find its slow pace and lengthy episodes frustrating. The series is ideal for those interested in psychology and real-life stories, as it presents a powerful exploration of trauma and healing. However, it may not appeal to those who prefer fast-paced narratives or more traditional plotlines. Overall, it's a must-watch for fans of character-driven dramas and psychological insights. Number 2. Oğlum. Oğlum is an intense drama which follows İlyas and Mileki, who lead a happy life with their children, 18-year-old Ceren and 6-year-old Kaan. Conversely, Zeynep and Tugrul's marriage is fraught with conflict, affecting their 12-year-old son, Efe. One day, Efe, in an emotional outburst, kills Kaan, intertwining the fates of these two families. Devastated, İlyas and Mileki struggle to cope, while Tugrul blames Zeynep for their son's actions. Pedagogue Demet and police officer Sedat investigate the case, uncovering Efe's confession. This tragic event forces all family members to confront their issues, leading to significant transformations. They must decide whether to cooperate with the police or protect Efe. This series captivates with its emotional depth and powerful performances, particularly from Nihal Yalçın and the young actor playing Efe. It masterfully tackles serious social issues, making it both poignant and thought-provoking. However, its premature ending and some confusing plot points may leave you wanting more clarity and resolution. Despite this, it's a compelling watch that resonates deeply with its audience. Before we move on to the next series, if you love discovering new and exciting Turkish series, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Stay tuned for the best in entertainment. Number 3. Yalnız Kurt. Yalnız Kurt, Lone Wolf, delves into Turkey's tumultuous recent history, shedding light on the coups, betrayals, murders, anarchy, and terrorism that have plagued the nation since the arrival of the American Peace Corps. The series tells the epic story of a lone wolf who stands against the secret machinations of the powerful Goliath organization. This shadowy group employs intelligence and espionage tactics to destabilize the country, redraw borders, orchestrate coups, and incite chaos. As the lone wolf uncovers and confronts these sinister plots, he navigates a dangerous world of deceit and subterfuge, determined to protect his nation from those who seek to destroy it. According to me, those who appreciate Turkish patriotic themes, historical dramatizations, and a critical view of foreign influence will find this series engaging and thought-provoking. It is ideal for viewers who enjoy narratives about protecting national sovereignty and confronting conspiracies. So if you are looking for unbiased storytelling, nuanced character development, or high-quality production, this series might disappoint. Number 4. Hizmet Çaylar, The Maids. In the opulent confines of Istanbul's Cennet Sitesi, four maids navigate mysterious and intricate relationships with their landlords. Amidst the luxury, their private lives intertwine as two of them indulge in a dark game, fantasizing about killing their mistress. The houses they serve in become both their playground and prison, reflecting the stifling opulence that traps their spirits. Within these gilded walls, their stories reveal the hidden struggles and desires of those bound by wealth yet yearning for freedom. This intriguing series set in Istanbul's luxurious mansions has captivated many viewers with its fascinating storylines and complex characters. Despite having multiple plot holes, this series having only 3 episodes leaves us eager for more. Number 5. Misafar. Gage's new life begins after a failed suicide attempt when she convinces doctors she has lost her memory. Police detective Erdem offers her a place to stay with his family until she recovers. Erdem's children, who have lost their mother, welcome Gage warmly. Despite feeling overwhelmed by Erdem's family, Gage has no choice but to stay. Over time, Gage's past catches up with her, revealing hidden truths. Meanwhile, Erdem harbors a secret that, once uncovered, will devastate everyone. As Gage and Erdem navigate their intertwined lives, they both face the consequences of their hidden truths. Ultimately, they must decide whether to embrace new beginnings or be consumed by their pasts. Misafar is a heartwarming series with standout performances, especially from Bughra Gulsoy and Hajal Kaya. While it was cut short after just 5 episodes, it managed to leave a lasting impression with its touching portrayal of found families. Despite its brief run, the series is worth watching for its unique story and exceptional acting. Number 6. Kish Guneshi, Winter Sun. This is a great Turkish series to watch, and it follows Efe, who witnesses his father's murder as a child, losing his memory and identity in the process. Raised by an adoptive family, he becomes a humble fisherman, unaware of his true heritage. When the assassin who killed his father resurfaces seeking revenge, Efe discovers he has a twin brother, Meet, leading him into a web of deception and danger. Mistakenly killed by the murderers, Efe assumes Meet's identity to seek justice for their deaths. As Efe navigates the complexities of his brother's life, including Meet's troubled marriage to Nisan, he must conceal his true identity while unraveling the truth behind his family's tragedy. Amidst the chaos, Efe grapples with his desire for vengeance and his growing feelings for Nisan, torn between his mission and his heart. Winter Sun captivates with its compelling plot, stellar cast, and emotional depth, earning praise for its gripping storytelling and powerful performances. I highly commend the chemistry between lead actors Sukru Ozildiz and Asli Enver. The absence of explicit content and focus on strong character development add to its appeal, making it a standout series worth watching repeatedly. Number 7. Tempt Me Love. The story of this series revolves around Bahar, who discovers her estranged father, Barlas, but faces rejection. She finds solace in Murat, Barlas' business partner, sparking a love triangle with Murat's wife, Yasemin. Bahar strives to win Murat's heart, while Yasemin embarks on a journey of self-discovery, altering the dynamics of their relationships. As tensions rise and loyalties are tested, the narrative explores themes of love, betrayal, and personal growth, with Yasemin's transformation catalyzing significant changes for all involved. This is an amazing Turkish series, which explores the impact of broken marriages, highlighting the need for prioritizing relationships. Number 8. Kurt Seyit ve Shura. Kurt Seyit ve Shura follows the tumultuous journey of Kurt Seyit Eminov, a dashing lieutenant, and Shura, a beautiful Russian noble's daughter, as they flee to Istanbul during the Russian Revolution. Their love defies societal norms and family expectations. From Petrograd's grandeur to the Carpathian front line, they navigate through riots, revolution, and occupied Istanbul. Their perilous journey across frozen landscapes symbolize their fight for love against historical events and family pressure. Set against the backdrop of the Ottoman Empire's decline, their tale embodies passion, sacrifice, and resilience amidst turbulent times. It's a series that not only entertains but also educates, shedding light on a period of history often overlooked. Every detail immerses you in a world you never want to leave. The performances, especially by Kaviansi Tattu and Farah Zainab Abdullah, are nothing short of mesmerizing. Flames of Desire. In this Turkish series, Bayram returns to his hometown to fulfill a promise with his friend Salih, agreeing to engage their children Meleka and Kerim when they come of age. Kerim, who dreams of living in Germany, reluctantly agrees to return and keep the promise. When he proposes to Meleka, her younger sister Hulia, who has loved Kerim since childhood, concocts a plan to steal him away. In a twist, Kerim ends up marrying Hulia to preserve Meleka's honor, but leaves for Germany immediately, leading to a tumultuous storyline when Hulia follows him there, determined to win his love. For me, this series seems absolutely perfect, as this series captures the real-life emotions and typical challenges, making it an unforgettable Turkish drama. But the evil protagonist and morally questionable storylines overshadow this series, making it a challenging and unlikable watch sometimes. But overall, it's a good series. Number 9. Jamdaki Kiz. Jamdaki Kiz follows Nalan, who is raised by her controlling grandmother Firide, and lives a sheltered life without love or freedom. Working at Koroglu Company, she meets Siddharth, the heir to the Koroglu family empire, who is entangled in a forbidden affair. Siddharth, pressured by his father Rafet to marry, sees Nalan as the perfect bride despite his ongoing affair. Nalan, unaware of Siddharth's double life, believes she's found her fairy tale love. As their worlds collide, secrets and conflicts arise, testing their desires and loyalties within the intricate web of family expectations and personal desires. Even though this series has a slow pace and occasional unbelievable moments, still the series offers a unique exploration of complex characters and societal issues, leaving viewers contemplating the complexities of human nature long after the final episode. Number 10. Shahaneh Haytham. Shahaneh Haytham chronicles the rise of Shebnem, an underdog-turned socialite who marries wealthy businessman Onur to secure her place in high society. But her past, marked by bullying and a criminal history, threatens to unravel her newfound status. Amidst her struggles to protect her family and maintain her image, Shebnem becomes entangled with Mesut, a captivating homicide captain, while facing off against Onur's ex-wife Melissa and his formidable mother Azel. As Shebnem navigates the complexities of her past and present, her life becomes a gripping tale of ambition, betrayal, and redemption amidst the glitz and glamour of Dubai and Miami. If you ask me, then I must say that this series delivers a refreshing take on Turkish drama, blending excitement, humor, and inspiration with the spice of romance seamlessly. While the initial episodes may feel slow, the series quickly picks up pace, offering captivating twists and turns that keep viewers hooked. Lead character Shebnem embodies the modern, determined woman, navigating challenges with resilience and ambition. With its dynamic storytelling and compelling characters, this series promises an engaging and unpredictable journey ahead. Number 11. Bir Koku Gun Isigi. Elif, a successful self-made woman, plans to start the adoption process when she receives a shocking call informing her of her husband Hakan's sudden death. To her surprise, she discovers that Hakan had a secret daughter named Guns, who is nonverbal. Feeling betrayed and devastated, Elif struggles to connect with Guns as her world crumbles. Amid this nightmare, she crosses paths with Firat, a businessman searching for his missing sister, and their destinies become intertwined, setting the stage for unexpected twists and turns in their lives. Number 12. Omar. It is a story about a young boy named Omar, whose life turns upside down when he falls in love with Gams, a relationship that his conservative father will never approve of. Gams is a middle-aged woman who returns to her old neighborhood after her divorce. While struggling to start over her life as a single mother, she finds an unexpected comfort in Omar's love, who is much younger than her. We will witness over time the struggles that Omar and Gams will try to overcome, their fight against the strict rules, and the conflicts that both of their families will go through. But the many obstacles will turn Omar and Gams' love into an impossible one, if you like thee. Number 13. Love for Rent. Love for Rent is a Turkish romantic comedy series that follows the story of Difne, a waitress who lives a simple life with her grandmother, brother, and little sister. When her brother is taken by the mafia for his debt, Difne has to find a large sum of money in 24 hours to save him. Omar, a young CEO, meets Difne at the restaurant where she works, and pretends to be her boyfriend to escape an arranged date. When Omar's aunt-in-law Neriman sees them together, she proposes an offer to Difne to work as Omar's personal assistant, make him fall in love with her, and get married to him within 6 months. Difne accepts the offer to save her brother, but complications arise as she falls in love with Omar. The show features a mix of romance, comedy, and drama as Difne navigates her new challenging life while keeping her true intentions hidden. Number 14. Arak. Arak series revolves around Zeynep and Kara, whose worlds collide after a tragic night. Zeynep, an ardent lover of plants and daughter of a prominent economist, meets Kara, a reclusive figure with a vow to protect children from the shadows. As their contrasting lives intertwine, an unforeseen love blossoms. Against the backdrop of a monumental heist, secrets unravel, exposing a poignant truth that challenges their love and forces them to confront the haunting echoes of the past. The series masterfully blends romance, mystery, and a quest for truth into a spellbinding tapestry of emotions. Number 15. Oj Kis Kardesh. This series follows the lives of 3 daughters, Turkan, Donis, and Derya, in Ayvalik, 1998. Turkan marries Summer from the wealthy Korman family, but discovers he's unwilling and still involved with his girlfriend Mine. Donis and Derya's lives are disrupted by a past secret, casting a shadow over their present. Despite their differences, the sisters remain close, sharing dreams and challenges. Nesreen and Sadiq strive to protect their daughters, concealing a past event to prevent further turmoil. The series explores themes of love, betrayal, and family bonds amidst societal expectations and personal struggles. It is a captivating drama that shines with its strong cast and engaging storyline. With standout performances from Ozgu Kaya and a narrative filled with suspense and family dynamics, it offers a refreshing focus on female protagonists. While there are some episodes where you find the pacing slow, but still the series excels in portraying complex characters and real-life struggles, making it a must-watch for fans of Turkish dramas. Number 16. Kader Baglari. Kerem, a successful heir to a prominent winemaking family, and Sevda, a law student, share a captivating encounter at Kerem family's Montenegro vineyard. This meeting leads to an agreement to meet again a year later. However, destiny takes an unexpected turn, reuniting them in Istanbul, where Sevda works as a maid in Kerem's affluent family's household. The stark contrast in their social backgrounds creates conflict, but their undeniable love persists. Despite Kerem's family's disapproval, they are determined to surmount their class differences, embarking on a journey to live their love without limitations. According to me, Kader Baglari impresses me with its undeniable chemistry between Ayça Ayşin and Serkan Çayoglu, as well as its picturesque locations. While the storyline appears somewhat familiar, it promises a compelling love story and engaging drama ahead. With its talented cast and intriguing narrative, this Turkish series has captivated many viewers, including myself, and has the potential to become a beloved favorite. Number 17. İnci Taneleri. This series follows Azem Yücedar, who was a literature teacher, but he gets wrongfully accused for killing his wife. When he released from prison, he seeks to rebuild his life after the loss of his wife. The story takes a dramatic turn when he meets Dilbar, a bar dancer. On a poignant journey of self-discovery and redemption, he grapples with the painful past and a hidden secret. Will Azan find what he lost and gather the scattered pearls of his life? Racing after hope, he confronts the burdens of his past to reclaim a sense of purpose and meaning in the aftermath of his wrongful imprisonment. Number 18. Bahar. Bahar, a helpful young woman, starts a vocational training course in Demir's neighborhood, where they clash but soon develop a bond. Demir saves Bahar from a fire, leading to their growing affinity. Aysun, in love with Demir, marries and kills Harun as part of a revenge plot. Bahar overhears Aysun's confession and suffers memory loss in a car accident orchestrated by Aysun. Aysun, fearing Bahar's recovery, mistreats her, while unaware Demir loves Bahar. Despite their love, Demir and Bahar face turmoil as Aysun's schemes unravel, revealing tangled connections and secrets. Number 19. Yıldızlar Bana Uzak. Yıldızlar Bana Uzak tells a compelling love story of Kadir, played by Furkan Andik, and Asli, played by Burcu Kiratli, who share an unforgettable love, but it's tested when Kadir is wrongly jailed for Asli's father's murder. To clear his name and get back at the Varnali family, Kadir fights against betrayal. When the truth comes out, their love sparks again, but old secrets endanger their chance at lasting happiness. It is a well-written series, which will captivate you with its stellar cast and compelling storyline, blending suspense, romance, and exceptional performances. Number 20. Alp Arslan Bayezid. Alparslan, the Great Seljuk is an epic masterpiece that captivates with its captivating storyline, exceptional acting, and stunning battle scenes. Bari's Ardak's portrayal of Sultan Alparslan is outstanding, embodying bravery and honor. The series beautifully immerses viewers in the historical Muslim world, portraying the glory and sacrifice of its characters. Despite a few criticisms, the majority praise its attention to detail and captivating storytelling, making it a must-watch for fans of historical dramas. The story follows Alparslan, the chosen heir of Seljuk Sultan Tugrul, who embarks on a mission to avenge innocent Turks killed by the Byzantines. Along the way, he saves Akka Hatun, a mysterious Turkmen girl, from persecution. Alparslan falls in love with Akka, not knowing she is a spy. Tensions rise as they plan to marry, but Akka's true loyalties are revealed, and she joins the Seljuk cause. Alparslan faces challenges, including a war with Byzantium and internal betrayals. The story encompasses love, battles, alliances, and a journey to establish a strong empire in Anatolia. So that was the video, friends, but if you are interested in watching more Turkish series, then please watch this video.